In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain to Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to purchase a domain right from your Shopify admin and connect it to your store with just a few clicks. First, open the Shopify website and sign in to your store's admin. You'll land on the Shopify dashboard, which is the control center for everything in your shop. From here, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all the behind-the-scenes options you'll use to configure your store. Inside Settings, find and click Domains. The Domains page is where you manage everything related to your store's web address. If you don't already have a domain or you want to get a new one directly through Shopify, click Buy Domain. This opens a search box where you can type the name you want. Enter the domain you're aiming for, and Shopify will return a list of what's available along with the price for each option. You'll see the exact domain you searched for, plus suggested variations and different extensions. For example, if your first choice isn't available, you might see alternatives with different endings like .com, .store, .shop. Pay attention to the pricing and any renewal details. Domains are typically billed annually, and the renewal price is usually the same as the first year, unless noted otherwise. Take a moment to choose a domain that matches your brand, is easy to remember, and avoids unnecessary punctuation. Short, clear names are best. If the exact name you want isn't available, try simple variations, like adding a short word or using a different extension that still fits your business. Once you've picked the domain you want, select it and click Buy. Shopify will show a purchase summary so you can double-check the name and the price before confirming. Domain privacy is often included when you buy through Shopify, which helps keep your personal contact details off public records. You can usually enable auto-renew here as well, so your domain doesn't accidentally expire in the future. After you complete the purchase, the domain appears on your domains page. Shopify will start connecting it to your store automatically. It can take a few minutes for everything to update, including the SSL certificate, so don't worry if it doesn't switch over instantly. You can refresh the page and watch for the status to show as connected. That's it. You've just added a custom domain to your Shopify store, making your brand look more professional and easier for customers to find.